Good day, panelists. I am Leila Luania, and together with me are my groupmates to present to you our research proposal entitled Comparative Analysis of Microbial Electrolysis Cell Technology for Wastewater Treatment and Biohydrogen Production, Evaluating Efficiency and Sustainability in Pineapple Processing Wastewater and Cassava Milling Wastewaters.
So this one discusses the water contaminations in the Philippines caused by industrial and domestic waste. So industrial influence, waste from factories pollutes water, harming both environment and human health. And then the next one is the domestic waste, in which household waste often flows into rivers, and water waste contaminating groundwater, mainly due to poor sewage and waste management systems. So energy mix happens in year 2022. The country energy sources consist of 31% coal, 4.2% natural gas, 32.7% renewable energy, and 32.2% oil-based solutions. So power crisis happened on April 16, 2024, in which 19 power plant shutdowns simultaneously, while 3 other reduced operations, worsening the energy situations.
So as a response to our needs, we have here the microbial electrolysis cell. MEC is a bioelectrochemical system that uses bacteria to break down organic matter in wastewater, generating electricity or biohydrogen as a byproduct. So in principle, the MEC is composed of three major components: the anode chamber, the cathode chamber, and the membrane separator as shown in the figure. MEC is governed by the principle of the electrohydrogenesis process. Exoelectrogens form a biofilm on the surface of the anode that can convert chemical energy present in organic substances into electrical energy. These microorganisms are electrochemically active and therefore can exchange electrons with the electrode in order to maintain cellular function and growth. Exoelectrogens can have the ability to break down complex carbohydrates. The efficiency of hydrogen production is highly affected by the type of substrate used as the electron donor in the anode. When acetate is used as a substrate, the process can be described in electrochemical reactions. So we have here the conceptual framework of the study. So they identified independent variables or the wastewater type, the operational parameters such as pH, temperature, hydraulic retention, and the applied voltage. And the identified dependent variables are the hydrogen production, COD reduction, and the coulombic efficiency. So the scope of the study focuses on evaluating the performance of MEC in treating wastewater from pineapple processing plants and cassava manufacturing plants. The specific objectives include assessing the reduction in chemical oxygen demand, measuring coulombic efficiency of the system, and comparing the biohydrogen yield produced from each type of wastewater. The study will have the following objectives: the determination of the COD reduction in both wastewater types, the measurement of the column efficiency in each trial of wastewater treatment, the comparison of the volume of biohydrogen produced per unit volume of wastewater used, and the investigation of the influence of different wastewater compositions. The researchers would like to test the following hypothesis: at least 70% reduction of COD for all wastewater type, where pineapple processing wastewater is 20% higher than that of cassava milling wastewater; 60% coulombic efficiency, where pineapple wastewater showing a 10% higher CE than the cassava wastewater. 0.75 liter of biohydrogen produced from pineapple processing wastewater and zero point 0.5 liter from the cassava milling wastewater. And the relationship of the biohydrogen production and COD removal, where pineapple wastewater perform better in biohydrogen production with higher COD removal than the cassava wastewater.
For research design, we will be implementing experimental research design. The raw materials, AD sludge, pineapple wastewater, and cassava milling wastewater will be sourced from the MPI and PICOR. The laboratory tests will be conducted in Bio-H2E lab in Xavier University for coulombic efficiency and hydrogen gas analysis, while COD analysis will be in the third-party FAST lab. Here are the operating conditions from the literature. For the analysis, here are the equations for the calculations. For hydrogen production rate and coulombic efficiency, we will employ t-tests to compare the efficiency and HPR between different substrate feed. Analysis will be to correlate COD removal with operating parameters in each wastewater types. The timeline for the implementation is divided into 4 parts. First is the training and preparation from November 10 to December 29. Second, pretreatment and acclimatization for December 16 to January 6, 2025. Third is the execution from January 6 to February 15. And last is the evaluation and analysis, which is simultaneous with the execution from January 20 to February 15. The remaining parts are the analysis of data, iterations, revisions, and defense. The ethical considerations involve confidentiality and non-maleficence to prevent harm to the researchers, others, and the environment. The estimated research budget is 34,429 pesos. The total cost of professional service is 19,236 pesos. The total cost for supply is 11,875. The total cost of equipment and instruments is 1,750, and the cost for travel and transportation is 1,560.
This project is distinguished by its focus on the integration of MEC for the dual purpose of wastewater treatment through COD reduction and biohydrogen production in dual chamber reactor, specifically targeting pineapple processing wastewater and cassava milling wastewater. The comparative performance of these two wastewaters provide insights into how substrate composition influence hydrogen yield and system efficiency. In addition, this project contributes to the circular economy and reduces environmental pollution, which aligns to SDG 6 and 7, clean water and affordable clean energy.
Here are the anticipated benefits of the study, where short-term benefits includes localized waste management solutions and cost savings, and the long-term benefits includes scalability and adaptability, sustainable energy generation, and the improved resource utilization. That would be all for our research proposal. Thank you, and now we are ready for your questions.